Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Again, we have another unboxing review of one of the latest smartwatch from DT1. So we have here is a sports smartwatch. Okay, last time that we reviewed is more of a women or female smartwatch with a classic, okay, corporate premium look. So what we have here is a sporty looking slash classic also, I guess, okay, smartwatch. So what we have here is the DT91 smartwatch in black color. So it all has a similar packaging. Okay, I guess this is the style of the smartwatches box packaging for smartwatches by DT1. Okay, so this is your DT86. What we have here is the DT91. Okay, so we have here again the details on the box. We have multi-dials or watch faces, sports data, sleep remote camera, calories. Okay, we also have activity tracking or tracker, heart rate, steps, notifications, and sports data. We have here the QR code for the website. Okay, again, this is your DT1 smartwatch. Model is the DT91. Okay, so let's have the unboxing, okay, of this new smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so it looks like a widescreen display smartwatch, hopefully with a slim bezel. Let's check. And we have here the content. So we have the body of the smartwatch. Wow, we have at least 2 strap here. Nice, we have a free strap. So this one, okay, so it is a combination of leather on top and the silicone on the bottom part of the strap, okay, or under the strap. Okay, as you can see here, it looks elegant. I guess this is for the corporate look. If you want to make it sporty, we have here somewhat like a carbon fiber style strap, silicone strap. Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, you see it? Oh, with a stainless steel enclosure. Okay, so all has a quick release pin for easy changing. You see it here. Okay, and we have the magnetic cable here. We have the user manual. Okay, so let's check. So it is available in several languages. We have here the QR code. Let's see if this is, so this is a Wear Pro. The other one says it's the Fit. I don't know if it's the real app. Okay, support app, but this one is the Wear Pro. Okay, similar to the DT100. It's a pretty new app with a basic functions such as watch faces, okay, and notifications. So we have here the functions here, fully detailed, and that's it. Okay, so we have here the user manual for the No.1 DT91. Okay, so this is the contents. We have the smartwatch, body of the smartwatch. We have the user manual, the charging cable, and we have at least 2 straps here. This is for the classic, elegant corporate attire looking smartwatch, and this one for your sports. Okay, so I think this is much more durable with a carbon fiber texture here. Okay, and for the smartwatch, okay, let's check. So we have the DT91. So we have here the black color. Let's see if you can see. Wow, nice. It's very elegant. Beautiful design. I like the bezel here. Glossy bezel. Okay, let's have a closer look. We have at least 2 buttons here. Okay, beautifully placed buttons. The back we have a sensor here. It says it has a heart rate, Bluetooth 4.0, and we have here the power connector, I think. So far it looks good. Metal bezel and metal body. So the other ones, so this one on the side, the finish here is brush finish type, and here glossy body here, black. Okay, very beautiful combination. Let me show you the size here. Okay, it's a pretty big smartwatch, but it looks beautiful. It looks professional, and it looks like a high-end wearable. We'll see on the display screen. It will have a beautiful screen. Let's turn it on and see if it still have a power. I guess we don't have a battery left. Okay, no battery left. Okay, so let's check it next time, the menus and the features when we charge it. But so far, on the design aspect, I guess it is safe to say that this is one of the most beautiful looking smartwatch design from DT number 1. It's the DT91 Smartwatch. Beautiful, elegant smartwatch. Okay, I love the look here. I love the design. Okay, let's check its specs online. Let's search. Okay, so search. Okay, you'll see. So it's available already and different shopping sites. Let's see. I guess not yet. It's pretty new smartwatch, but we have here the specs from our website. Okay, the DT91 Smartwatch. So let's see. Let's open it and check if it has a very good specs or not. As you can see here, full circular screen display. Okay, we have here the processor MTK2502C 1.3-inch IPS LCD. Okay, so we have 240 by 240 pixel resolution here. Again, we have a blood pressure. What else do we have? We have a heart rate, blood oxygen, and ECG here. We'll check if it's really have an ECG monitoring. Bluetooth 4.0 compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 9.0 and above. So there's no built-in GPS, but there's a blood pressure, IP67 waterproof rating, zinc alloy body. Okay, we have here the processor. So there's no Wi-Fi, so it is not a standalone smartwatch. Okay, we have a tempered glass here. We have speaker and microphone. Let's check later on. Health functions, multi-sport mode, message and call notifications, Bluetooth call, stopwatch remote, camera, calculator, sleep monitoring, alarm, and other options. So available in silver and black color. Okay, so I guess we have a mistake there. It says Pando, but I think based on the user manual we have the Wearable app. We'll see when we scan the QR code. Okay, so far this is your DT91. Very elegant, similar to the DT86 women or female smartwatch. So this one is pretty beautiful. We'll see later on if we attach the strap, if it will look good. Okay, see it here for the sporty type, and we have the leather type for if you want to use it in a corporate attire or you want to wear it during office hours. Okay, so this one you can change it to the leather strap. So far we are impressed by the design. We'll see in the software, in the UI of the smartwatch, as well as display, if it goes with the design. So we have a beautiful design here, beautiful body, elegant looking smartwatch. We'll see if we all will also have a beautiful UI for the DT91 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. This is your smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.